on your nose. So when you look to the right, you'll be seeing green. When you look to the left, you'll be seeing red color. Usually people just toss it between their hands and they follow the sight. But today I'll share with you my new favorite vision kit that will help you open your peripheral vision so you can become a better athlete if you're working on a more competitive sport, or if you want to improve your visual acuity and balance your eyes together. I'll try to do this in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. So the first thing you will be receiving is multiple cards with different colors, as you can see, with clips, and you have this pair of frame and then a squishy ball. The first thing you will be looking at today is the clip. This clip can be placed by the nose bridge, and then you'll pick two colors, two of your favorite colors. My favorite colors are red and green, and you insert it between the nose bridge and the clip, just like that, and you secure it. You make sure that the alignment is perfectly vertical, and then you place it on your nose. So when you look to the right, you will be seeing green. When you look to the left, you'll be seeing red color. So this is a very good exercise. When you look at the distance, you'll see two colors, one to the left, one to the right. Of course, optic nerve flips the image between the closer eye bridges. So that's why you see one color to the left, one color to the right. And the exercise is as follows. You look at the distance and you will see two walls with two different colors. Some people will see only one color. That means one of your eyes is suppressed. So this works to improve your acuity when you look at a distance. This looks with balancing both eyes. If you have one eye more suppressed, or lazy eye as they call it, or you have squint, this will train this condition to kind of balance these eyes, and you're trying to see both colors while you're looking at a distance. So now I'm looking at a very far tree and I see one wall, green wall to the right and red wall to the left. Guess what? If I turn it to the side like that, I will see mostly red. If I turn it this way, I will see mostly green. And this is what happens with people with imbalanced eyesight. So the goal is to see a window or a bridge with two walls, and you have one color at one end and the other color at the other end, and you're trying to look in between them. And guess what? Once you're done with this exercise, experiment with the acuity test. So you can go back to your eye chart. It's very easy to change colors. If you don't like to use green, for example, you can take the green card out and slide this yellow card. So now you end up with two colors, one red and one yellow. The second thing I will be demonstrating is using this stress ball or the squishy ball. Usually people just toss it between their hands and they follow the sight, but the better exercise is to look at a distance and try to still catch the ball while you're not looking at the ball itself. This will encourage your peripheral vision to work better. Peripheral vision is your wider vision that picks up movement, mostly on the sides, so you don't pick up details, but you look at movement. And this is what we're trying to improve, to widen our peripheral vision. To help open up your peripheral vision even better, I made this specialized card. It's black card. You can slide it at the nose bridge again on the frame, and then you place it on your face. This will block your central vision. Of course, don't do that when you are moving or driving. This is only when you're playing with this ball, and try to toss the ball and then catch it with your other hand. And this is, as you can tell, activating your peripheral vision, the side vision, to be open and to be able to play with the ball and catch it without looking at the ball itself. So you are limiting your central vision and you're focusing more on your peripheral vision. For those who are dealing with more challenging condition with suppressed eye, or if you want to test one eye at a time, you can use the same card and place the clip on the side of the left eye, so you can block the vision of the left eye, and then toss the ball again, or look at an eye chart, look at a distance. So this is using your right eye only, and you can alternate between both eyes together. So this was a very quick video to show you exactly how you can use this vision kit to open up your peripheral vision or balance your eyes for those who are dealing with lazy eyes or suppressed vision on one eye, and for those who want to improve their athletic performance. This is very good for people who play sports and who are competitive, so you can train to open up your peripheral vision. Thanks for watching this video. If you feel you benefit from this vision kit, or you know someone who is interested in it, I will leave the link in the description and in the first comment. Feel free to purchase it, and feel free to share the video and ask me questions in the comments. I will try to get back to you as soon as I read them. And see you next time.